Hello friends, in this video I'm going to generate movie. For that I have opened the GitHub repository of the Laravel Livewire movie, and I have opened this movie index Livewire class, and here we have the generate movie method. I'm going to copy this, and in the movie controller I'm going to create a new method with name store, and I'm going to paste that code in. Okay, and here we check if we have a movie with this TMDB ID, but in this case we need to say here the request input and add the movie TMDB ID, yeah, like this. If this exists, we are going to return, and I'm going to open the TV show to copy that. What I have? TV show controller. So TV show controller, and copy this and close now. So here we are going to return redirect back with flash banner movie exist. Okay, now if it's not exist, we are going to make a request to the import first the HTTP, and we make a request as JSON get and config services TMDB endpoint, and we need to say slash for movie, not slash because we have slash here, and dot request input the movie TMDB ID. Okay, and after that we need to add the I'm going to open the TV show. So what TV show controller, and where is it? Yeah, here we have, and we need to add this one, API key, copy, paste that in, dot, and config services TMDB secret. And I think that's it, the API movie. And here we check if this is successful. We are going to create some movie, create, and select all and say $sign API movie. Okay, remove the title because we are going to add in the movie model. Okay, now for the genres, also here we need to say API movie genres and get the IDs from that, and here we need to import the genre model, and we have this created movie, attach the genres. Okay, and after that we don't need this URL. I'm going to copy this and say instead of these two, I'm going to return with the movie created or API error. So here, if the API movie is successful. Otherwise, we say API error and save. Also, I'm going to open here the model and the movie model because I want to copy the protected fillable. Copy this and open now the movie model. Paste that in. Next is to add the genres. Copy. Paste here. And what we need, we need the, so I'm going to open the TV show model and I'm going to create the same thing here for the title. Set title attribute, and here is a title, and we need to import the str support. Yeah, hit save. Now refresh here and also open the moviedb.org. Find some movies here, Eternals, copy the ID and check if it's going to generate or not. And movie created. Here we have the movie. Now if I open the database and everything, I think it's working okay. Now if I put again this ID, click generate, we have movie exist. If I put some random number, click generate, and we have API error. Okay. In the next video, we are going to work with edit and delete. All the best, friends. See you in the next video.